I see all these before and afters about how your program can cause 30 pounds in 30 days of weight loss, and that can't be safe. How does ZOE Wellness cause weight loss so quickly? Our approach is honestly pretty simple. The first thing we do is see what's actually going on in the body. That comes from our metabolic report. We see things like the rate you metabolize foods, cellular hydration, visceral fat, and more internal factors that are probably contributing to your stubborn weight and other side effects. Next, you'll get a package of all natural plant-based supplements that target detoxing, gut balance, and nutritional deficiencies, just to name a few. Plus, you'll get a journal and some other tools. If you want a coach, we offer one-on-one coaching to ensure you're fully supported and so that we can make any adjustments in real time. Your food list and eating plan is mapped out and tailored to your body's nutritional needs. That plan is also adapted along the way according to your program. Bottom line, listen to your coach, follow your plan, trust the process, and you will see the results.